Oh bye, kumusta bay? Taon nagigumula ka vlog Bisaya kay murag most of the times in English akong vlog or busy kay ko. Currently, currently na nag-study ko. I've been doing masters and I'm ending my work. Happy na mamala akong trabaho, so wala na ko'y trabaho, wala na ko'y kwarta. It's Laura who's working now, and with all these things coming up like ang virus, and some of us don't have work, some of us are having a hard time. Among tissue nga rin, among toilet paper tulo na lang kabuk nga rin. So I just want to tell everyone just to keep safe and try to do what the doctors or the government wants you to do. Just cooperate. Let's do this together, and let's do our best to get rid of this virus and ourselves. Let's do our best na mapildi taning virus. So let's do our part. Let's self-isolate. Ayaw palabig doon mga tao. Protect yourself, protect your family. One way of protecting sa imong family is that dili ka magsig laag. Ako nagsige kog try, nagsige mo kog laag ari. But I'm trying my best. Because the thing is, one way to protect your family is that you isolate yourself from other people. At the same time, mag-isolate ka from nila. Kay that way, there's no transmission of the virus between your family and you. So just take care of everyone there and just be safe. Okay ra lagi ta. So that's just it for now. Yeah. Take care. Bye. Bye-bye.